What if you did not have to worry about long lead times on your next project? What if you received tracking information within 60 minutes of placing your order? What if you had 24/7 access to product availability and order status? IFM believes that providing the easiest and fastest order fulfillment process helps you focus on the issues that matter. The speed of our order fulfillment process starts with production. We establish long-term contracts with our raw material and component suppliers to make sure our supply chain never shuts down manufacturing. Using lean production methods, our lead times are measured in hours and days, not weeks and months. This keeps product flowing, even during periods of high demand. We believe in a build-to-stock model that keeps the right amount of inventory as close to the end customer as possible. Stock levels are constantly adjusted and monitored based on changes to demand and lead times. Inventory is always turning by leveraging short production lead times along with daily air freight shipments from IFM's production sites and main warehouse in Germany. Our order processing and pick-to-ship procedure have been optimized using lean process improvement tools. We use optical character recognition software to automatically transfer purchase order information directly to our ERP system. This eliminates data entry, greatly reducing order entry errors. Our picking operation is paper-free, utilizing wearable computers that guide our team through the picking and shipping process. Barcode scanners verify that the proper item has been picked, ensuring shipment accuracy. Email confirmation of your shipment along with tracking information is sent as soon as the shipping label is printed at the end of the packing process. Your purchase order is entered, picked and packed for shipment, and email tracking information is generated in less than 60 minutes from receipt of your order. You can also check availability and pricing, place an order, check order status, and get shipment tracking information at any time through MyIFM on our website. Let IFM's order fulfillment process save you time and allow you to focus on your key business objectives.